Please like and subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you. Alkene oxidation we are doing here with the help of acidified KMNO4. It will give you nascent oxygen which will oxidize these acids, alkenes. So every terminal CH2 or any H is there. So for example, here H is there. So this group is oxidized. 2O will come here. See, 1O and 2O. So CH3 COOH will be there. Okay, COOH, double bonded O or OH. Okay, so it will become 2 carbon acid and the terminal carbon is oxidizes to carbon dioxide. Now see here, this is 7 methyl 1 6 octane dioic acid, because first carbon and 6 carbon bearing and this double bond. So it is octadiene. Oxidizes by acidified KMNO4, cleavage occurs from here. So this 3 carbon ketone will get, this is ketone, and then this is terminal carbon, it will give you CO2 last I have written. Okay, and cleavage occurs from here. So this, now this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon, so we will get glutaric acid. Okay, 1, 5 pentane dioic acid. Clear? So COH, CH2, 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 COH, and terminal carbon, as I told you, this is CH2, so it is oxidizes to CO2. Clear to you? Now when I was drawing, I missed one step, 1 carbon, so it will have it become 6 methyl. Instead of 7 methyl, it becomes 6 methyl 1, 5 heptane dioic acid. Now again, everything is changed. This is heptadiene. So acetone will be obtained. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon acid, 4 carbon dicarboxylic acid, that is succinic acid. Butane 1, 4 dioic acid is obtained, and the terminal carbon give you CO2. So what is changed over here? This is the middle one, which I 1 carbon I missed, so I write down everything. Okay, here we will get glutaric acid. 5 carbon dicarboxylic acid is known as glutaric acid. 4 carbon dicarboxylic acid is known as succinic acid. Now this is cyclopentane ring, and alkene is there, acidified KMNO4, cleavage occurs from here. This will convert it into ketone because there is no hydrogen here in this carbon, so we'll get cyclopentanone. But this carbon CH3CH, this carbon is having 1 H, so here 2O will come, as we have seen earlier, so it is converted into acetic acid, CH3COH, 2 carbon acid and cyclopentanone. Now this cyclohexene acidified KMNO4, oxidation will occur and cleavage occur, and we'll get straight chain COH 1, 6 hexane dioic acid. Clear to you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just cleave it, because all of them, both of them are having hydrogen. So CH bond, so COH it will be, and bond is cleaved. So hexane 1, 6 dioic acid. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you for watching. Do you have any problem? Now here I told you why